section alcohols of hydroxy compounds in my previous videos. Then I got busy with taking classes for the second year on chemical thermodynamics. So today let's start with the second part of the hydroxy compounds, that is phenols. So let's get back to our classes. Generally, aromatic compounds containing hydroxyl groups may be of two types. That is, first one is phenol and the second one is aromatic alcohols. The class of compounds in which one or more hydrogen atoms of the benzene nucleus are replaced by hydroxyl groups are known as phenols. That is, the simplest member are C6H5OH. It is phenol. In the second case, aromatic alcohols. That is, the class of compounds having hydroxyl groups in a side chain of the benzene nucleus are known as aromatic alcohol. That is, that OH is present in the side chain. It is like this. OH group is present in the side chain of the benzene ring. That type of aromatic compounds are known as aromatic alcohols. This is the class of compounds having hydroxyl groups in a side chain of the benzene nucleus. Side chain of the benzene nucleus. What is the common name of this compound? That is benzyl alcohol. Okay. So we have generally two types of aromatic compounds, that is phenols and aromatic alcohols. Okay. Both these types possess an aromatic ring and the hydroxyl group, but they differ significantly from each other in their chemical nature. That is, they are differing in their chemical nature. That is, the differences arises due to fact that whereas in aromatic alcohols, the hydroxyl group is linked to the saturated carbon. In this, the hydroxyl group is linked to the saturated carbon, that is CH2. In the case of phenol, it is attached to the unsaturated carbon atom of the nucleus. Okay. This, while in aromatic alcohols resemble aliphatic alcohols in the reactions of the hydroxyl group. That is, this aromatic alcohols, that is benzyl alcohol. That is, these type of alcohols, that is benzyl alcohol, resembles aliphatic, that is, these type of alcohols, that is, aromatic alcohols, benzyl alcohol, resembles aliphatic alcohols in the reactions of the hydroxyl group. It resembles the aliphatic alcohols of the, that is, this resembles the aliphatic alcohols in the reactions of the hydroxyl group. That is, the phenols exhibit the marked difference in their reactions from aliphatic or aromatic alcohols. That means what? That is, this phenols show, different reaction from, that is, this phenols show different reaction from aliphatic or aromatic alcohols. Okay. Let us discuss the phenols. Here we are discussing the phenols. Okay. These phenols are organic compounds containing at least one OH group attached directly to the benzene ring. Okay. The phenols are represented by the general formula AR Phenols are represented by the general formula AR OH, where Ar is the phenyl group. Okay. The simplest hydroxy derivative of benzene is hydroxybenzene. That is called phenol. Hydroxybenzene, that is called phenol. It is C6H5, C6H5OH. Okay, C6H5OH. Also commonly called carbolic acid. Commonly called carbolic acid. Its IUPAC name is benzenol. We can name it as benzenol. Its IUPAC name is benzenol, but phenol is too accepted. Okay. Firstly, we are discussing the naming of phenols. First, we can take the monosubstituted phenol. That is, the term ortho, meta and para are used commonly for the naming of monosubstituted phenols. For this, orthobromophenol, meta-nitrophenol and para-ethylphenol. That is, the term ortho is for 1,2-disubstituted, and for meta, the term ortho for 1,2-disubstituted, and meta for 1,3-disubstituted, and para for 1,4-disubstituted. That is, in the case of monosubstituted phenols, we are using the term ortho, meta and para to name the phenols. This type of nomenclature is used in the common system. It is in the common system. But in the IUPAC system, IUPAC nomenclature, the substituent position in relative to the OH group is mentioned by 2, 3 or 4. In this case, you can write that is 2-bromo, phenol. This is 3-nitro phenol. And finally, this is 4-phenol. Okay. That is in the case of IUPAC nomenclature system, the substituent position in relative to OH group is mentioned as 2-bromophenol, 3-nitrophenol and 4-ethylphenol. Next, we are discussing phenol having 2 or more substituents. That is, we can name it as 2, 4, 6. We can name it as 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. This is commonly called picric acid. Commonly we call it as picric acid, and the IUPAC name is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Next one. We can number it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 nitro. First of all, we can write 4 chloro, 2 nitrophenol. In IUPAC system of nomenclature, phenols having 2 or more substituent are present. We can name it as 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. That is, we are numbering the relative position of the substituent in relation to the OH group. That is, we are numbering the position of the substituent in relative to the OH group. We can return. Now, let us discuss the classification of phenols. That is, depending upon the number of hydroxyl group present, the phenols are classified into 3 categories. That is, monohydric phenols, dihydric phenols and trihydric phenols. Okay, let us discuss the naming of these phenols. Okay, first one, common name of this is phenol and the IUPAC name is also phenol. The mostly accepted one is the phenol IUPAC name. And if the substituent, that is in the second position there is a substituent methyl group. So next one, if the substituent is present, you can name it as 1, 2. 2-methyl phenol. That is, in the IUPAC name of nomenclature, we can name it as 2-methyl phenol. And the common name of this is orthocresol. Orthocresol. Okay. Next one is the 1, 2. Next one, it is, we can name it as 1, 2, 3. It is in the IUPAC naming system. In the IUPAC name of in the IUPAC nomenclature, that is 3-methyl phenol. But in the common system, but the common name of this phenol is metacresol. Metacresol. Okay. And the last one, can 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4-methyl phenol. In the IUPAC name nomenclature, 4-methyl phenol. But in the IUPAC system of nomenclature, that is 4-methyl phenol. But in the common name of this phenol is paracresol. Okay. Second classification is the dihydric phenol. That is, we can name it as catechol. The common name of this phenol is catechol. The common name of this phenol is catechol and the IUPAC name, that is 1, 2. 1, 2 benzene 1, 2 diol. Benzene 1, 2 diol. In the second case, we can name it as, the common name of this is resorcinol. Resorcinol. Our name of this is the resorcinol. And the IUPAC name is, name it number it as 1, 2, 3. It is 1, 3 diol. Benzene 1, 3 diol. Benzene 1, 3 diol. The last case, the common name of this quinol. And the IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4. Benzene 1,4 diol. IUPAC name is benzene 1,4 diol. The last classification is the trihydric phenols. This name of the name of this phenol is pyrogalol. P-Y-O. Pyrogalol. What is the IUPAC name of this phenol? Yes, we can number it as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. Triol. Benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. Now next the common name is hydroxyquinol. Hydroxyquinol. And the IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Benzene 1, 2, 4 triol. Benzene 1, 2, 4 triol. Method is same for all. The last case, for the last one, the common name is fluoroglucinol. For the last one, the common name is fluoroglucinol. What is the IUPAC name? This we can number like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Benzene 1, 3, 5 triol. Okay. These are the classification of the phenols. That is, phenols may be classified into mono, di, tri or polyhydric phenols respectively, depending upon whether they contain 1 or 2 or 3. Depending upon whether they contain 1, 2 or 3 or many hydroxyl group in their structures. That is, simple phenols like phenols, cresol are present in coal tar from which they are obtained industrially. Some of the substituted phenolic compounds, that is substituted phenolic compounds, occur in essential oils of plants. That is, one of them is eugenol in clove oil, thymol in mint oil. That is, some of the substituted phenolic compounds occur in essential oils of plants also. Okay. Okay students, let us wind up this section. Thank you.